How to rate a Lyft driver. If you have been using the Lyft application and wondering on how to rate a driver on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Lyft application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now to rate a Lyft driver, you need to complete your ride. Now simply choose the ride. Start it and choose your destination and simply book a ride and take it. Once your Lyft trip ends, the app will automatically prompt a rating screen. You will see a 1 to 5 star scale. Tap the number of stars you want to give and simply leave optional feedback as well. After rating, you can add a tip, select tags and write a short comment and simply submit it. Finally submit to finalize. Your rating is anonymous. And that's it. This is how you can rate a Lyft driver. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.